cheap videos. Let us try, let's get it right. Bing bong. Random cheap videos.
Today we will try fixing Gourmia air fryer, and we bought it from Costco about a year ago. The model number is GAF798. We are not an electrician or an applied technician. This is not a teaching video. We are just trying to fix it. If we can fix it, we'll save money. If we cannot, we'll have to buy a new one. The problem with the air fryer, it doesn't turn on and nothing comes up on the screen even though we plugged it in. Multiple things could be wrong with this, like door switch, broken actuator, circuit board, or motor. Tools we need are Phillips screwdriver, multimeter, and magnet. Now we're gonna open this. There are 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. Now the screws are out, we're gonna lift this and make sure this is not connected and do it slowly. Now we're gonna remove the door switch to check if it's working or not. Information on this switch is 15 amp normally open switch. Let's connect the multimeter to this. The red is the voltage, the black is common. Turn this dial to this setting. Connect these together and it should beep. That means it's a complete circuit. Now we're going to test this old switch by using this multimeter. And it doesn't matter which way you connect with these alligator clips. This is an open circuit switch. It should beep when we press this button. Womp, womp, womp. It didn't beep. That means it's a bad switch. You can open it and look inside, but we're not going to. Basketball. Dunk. Instead, we're going to use this brand new switch. The model number is this. And we bought it from here for about $6 or $7. 6, 7. Let's test this switch. It has 2 options, normally open and normally closed. We need normally open. Let's check which one is normally open. It does say on the switch normally open and normally closed, but it's too small to see. So we're going to check it. Testing time. Get the first clip and put it here. Get the other clip and put on the first one. It's beeping. That means it is a normally closed. Let's test the other one. It's not beeping. Press this button and it should. It's beeping. That means it's normally open switch. This is the one that we'll need. The other one, you can tape it or you can cut it. job is done, but we still have to put the screws in. The job is officially done.